Module 5, Volume and Area Corrections. I can correct real-world problems involving area and volume. So for math today, you are going to correct both of your math assessments on loose leaf. So your math assessment that we did on volume a few weeks ago, and then the math assessment from yesterday on area. You'll have two different pieces of loose leaf already inside both assessments, and that's where you'll do your corrections. You're not changing any of the work on the original assessment, only on the loose leaf, just like we've done before. Once you you correct them, have an adult check. Mrs. D and my substitute have the keys that they won't be showing you the answers to this time. Remember the formulas. Volume equals length times width times height. Area equals length times width. That's going to help you solve both assessments. Then, for those that did not get the green light during intervention, you're doing reflex math first. You must show the substitute that you got a green light and write your name on the whiteboard. Then you can choose to either do prodigy math or read quietly. While doing the corrections, you may get help from your peers, your classmates. However, if you are found to be discussing things other than area and volume, then you will be separated and you'll have to work by yourself. This should be a very productive math period. I hope I don't have a repeat of last Monday. Make me proud. Remember, you only get one warning and then you lose all the points from the math period. So make me proud. Be very productive. Good luck.